Read me, with topic.
Traffic.
3, 2, 1, go.
Traffic. Traffic refers to the movement of vehicles, people, and goods on roads and other transportation networks. It is an essential part of modern life, enabling people to travel for work, leisure, and social reasons. However, traffic can also cause congestion, accidents, and air pollution, making it a significant challenge for governments and transportation authorities to manage. Strategies for managing traffic include improving road infrastructure, promoting alternative modes of transportation, enforcing traffic laws, and using technology to optimize traffic flow. By effectively managing traffic, we can create a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable transportation system.